This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
Most Audi owners think their car is running at full performance, but what if it's not? What if your Audi is actually limiting its own power every single day because of one setting you never changed? And the worst part, you see it, you use it, but you don't realize what it's doing. There's a hidden behavior inside your Audi, not a fault, not a warning, not a problem, a setting, a mode, something designed for comfort that quietly reduces performance, and most drivers leave it active all the time. Now think about your driving experience. Have you ever felt like your Audi is slightly delayed? Not slow, but not sharp. Throttle feels softer, gear changes feel slower, acceleration feels filtered, like something is holding the car back. That's not your imagination. That's your car doing exactly what it was programmed to do, because modern Audi vehicles are designed to adapt to different driving styles, to different needs, efficiency, comfort, performance, and depending on what mode is active, your entire car behaves differently. Throttle mapping changes, transmission logic changes, turbo response changes, even steering and suspension. And here's the key point. Many Audi models start in a default mode, a mode designed for fuel saving, comfort driving, smooth behavior, not performance, which means even if your car is capable of much more, you're not using it. Now here's where it gets interesting. This isn't just about feeling. It's measurable. Slower throttle response, delayed turbo spool, less aggressive gear shifts, and over time, you adapt to it. You think that's how your car is supposed to feel, until one day, you switch mode, and suddenly, everything changes. The car feels alive, responsive, sharper, faster, and you realize you've been driving with reduced performance the whole time. Now here's the problem. Most people don't know which mode to use, or when to use it. They switch randomly, or they never change it at all. And that's where performance gets lost. Every single day, without any warning, without any error, just hidden limitation. And in this episode, we're going to break it down. Exactly which Audi mode is reducing your power, why it happens, and how to fix it instantly. But before we go deeper, if you want to unlock hidden performance and avoid mistakes most Audi owners make, take a second to subscribe. It's free, but it helps us create more content like this.
Now let's talk about something every Audi owner cares about: fuel consumption. Because what most drivers don't realize is this: the driving mode you use every day doesn't just change performance. It directly changes how much fuel your Audi burns. And sometimes, you're wasting more fuel without even noticing it. Let's start with the most common situation. You leave your Audi in auto mode. It feels balanced, smooth, comfortable. But here's the reality. Auto mode constantly adapts to your driving. And if your driving style is inconsistent, acceleration, braking, traffic, the system keeps adjusting, and that creates inefficiency. Small, repeated inefficiencies. Now let's talk about comfort mode. This is where many drivers think they're saving fuel, because everything feels softer, throttle is less aggressive, gear shifts are earlier. But here's the problem. In real driving conditions, comfort mode can actually increase fuel consumption. Why? Because the engine has to work harder to compensate. Throttle response is reduced, so you press the pedal more. The car delays power delivery, so you stay longer on acceleration. And over time, that adds up. Now here's the surprising part. Dynamic mode. In some situations, can actually be more efficient. Sounds wrong, right? But think about it. Sharper throttle, more direct response, faster gear shifts. You reach your desired speed quicker, and then you stabilize. Less time accelerating, less wasted fuel, especially on highways or open roads. Dynamic mode reduces hesitation, and hesitation is wasted energy. Now let's talk about a hidden problem: driving in the wrong mode for your environment. City driving in dynamic? Too aggressive. More fuel used. Highway driving in comfort? Too soft. More throttle input needed. More fuel used. So what's the solution? Simple. Use the right mode for the right situation. City traffic, auto or efficiency. Highway, dynamic or balanced mode. Mixed driving, switch consciously. And here's where most Audi owners fail. They set one mode and never change it. They drive the same way everywhere, and that's where fuel is wasted. Not because of the engine, not because of the car, but because of usage. Now imagine this. You start using modes correctly. You reduce unnecessary acceleration. You improve throttle response efficiency. You eliminate delays. Over time, you can reduce fuel consumption noticeably. Not dramatically overnight, but consistently. And consistency is what saves money. Now combine this with what we said in part 1. Cold engine plus wrong mode. That's the worst combination. Higher wear, higher fuel usage, lower performance. But correct mode plus correct driving? That's optimization. And that's where your Audi performs at its best. In the next part, we'll show you exactly how to use each mode in real life, step by step.
So now the real question is, how do you actually use Audi driving modes the right way in real life? Because knowing the theory is one thing, applying it daily is what saves fuel. Let's make it simple. There are 3 situations you need to think about every time you drive: cold start, city driving, and highway driving. And each one requires a different approach. Let's start with the cold start. This is where most fuel is wasted. Right after you start your Audi, the engine is not at optimal temperature. Fuel injection is richer, efficiency is lower. And if you combine that with the wrong driving mode, you multiply consumption. So here's what you should do. Start the car. Wait 10 to 15 seconds. Drive off smoothly. Use auto or efficiency mode if available. Keep RPM low, no aggressive throttle. Why? Because the goal is stabilization, not speed. Now let's move to city driving. Traffic, stop and go, frequent acceleration. This is where fuel disappears. And this is also where mode selection matters most. Best choice? Auto mode or efficiency mode. These modes reduce unnecessary throttle spikes. They smooth out power delivery, and they help you avoid over-acceleration. Because here's the truth. Most fuel in the city is wasted during acceleration, not cruising, so smoother equals cheaper. Now highway driving. This is where things change. Once your Audi is warm, dynamic mode becomes useful. Not for speed, but for efficiency. Because throttle is more direct. Gear changes are faster. You reach cruising speed quicker. And then, you maintain it. This reduces the time spent accelerating, and less acceleration equals less fuel used. Now here's the key rule. Fuel saving is not about driving slow, it's about driving efficiently. And efficiency comes from correct mode, correct timing, correct throttle input. Now let's talk about a mistake almost everyone makes. They accelerate, then brake, then accelerate again. That cycle wastes huge amounts of fuel. Instead, maintain speed. Anticipate traffic, reduce unnecessary inputs, and your Audi becomes more efficient instantly. Now let's connect everything. Cold engine plus aggressive throttle plus wrong mode equals maximum waste. Warm engine plus correct mode plus smooth driving equals optimized efficiency. That's the difference. Not the car, not the engine, you. And here's the most important part. This costs nothing. No upgrades, no parts, no tools, just awareness. And the result? Lower fuel consumption. Better driving feel, less stress on the engine, and over time, real money saved. Now, if you want to get the most out of your Audi without wasting fuel or performance, make sure to subscribe. It's free, but it helps us bring you more real, practical Audi insights. Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter, spend less, unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.